Hello everybody and welcome to the TheBattleAxeCode. And in this video I'm going to be creating the sound button. So as you see, this is already set, ready to start. So right down here I'm going to make this a relative layout. I prefer it like that. Over here I'm going to delete this text view. And let me put my button. Drag it right there. I'm going to leave it right with that name, button, as an ID. Normally I attempt to change it. And over here in resources, RES, it's resources. Gotta go to new, Android resource directory. Right here where it says values, raw. Press OK. Now all we gotta do is just drag our sound. So it's gonna copy, paste it in raw. There, I got it. Make sure the letters are small letters, all. Now let's go to the Java. Button. Enter. Button. Find view by ID. Resource ID. Dot. Button. We want to create our media player. Media player. I'm going to name my media player MP1. You can name it whatever you want. Media player dot create this R raw. Now we put the name. It says welcome. So that's the right one. Now we're gonna make that button work. So when we press it, we will hear that sound. BT1 that set on click listener. Oh. New view on click listener. All we gotta do over here is call MP1 not start. That basically will be we got over here error. So let's put final, and that'll be all, and that'll fix that error. Up here, you're gonna run it. Runs it and builds it. It's gonna take a little while. Let's see the results. As you see, it already built it. Now we're gonna test it.
Welcome to the BattleAxeCode.
Oh, it does work. That's the way we make the sound button work. Something very easy. Press it again. I guess like a 2-second delay.
Welcome to the BattleAxeCode.
It depends how the sound was recorded. Well, as you see, it's a very easy code. I put BT1, MP1. You could choose a better names than that. I'll let you choose whatever you want. It's your code. You're gonna write it. You're gonna use it the way you prefer using it. Remember to subscribe to this channel, to the BattleAxeCode, and yeah, I'll be all for now. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.